Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome back to Appa Kai Suvai. Today we'll make two different healthy and tasty evening snacks which will go well with our tea and coffee, and even our kids will enjoy this a lot. First we'll see how to make wheat fingers. For this, in a bowl add 1 cup of wheat, jeera, ajwain, chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of ghee, salt to taste, hing. Mix well so that all the ingredients are combined well. Add water gradually and mix the flour. Don't add water in one shot. Add little quantity every time and knead the flour and form a dough. Now our dough is ready. Marinate this for 15 minutes. It's over. The marination process is over. Now we'll take a small amount of dough. We have made 2 rolls. We'll start with the first one. Roll this dough to a thick chapati. Don't make it very thin, make it little thick. Okay, it's ready now. To this, we'll spread 1 teaspoon of oil. Okay, once you finish spreading the oil, sprinkle some dry wheat flour on the chapati. This wheat flour will give layer to our snacks. That's the reason we are doing this. Now fold it into a box size and roll it again. Once you roll this to chapati, repeat that oil and dry flour process again. Okay, we can add 1 teaspoon of oil, spread it again on the chapati. Then sprinkle the dry wheat flour again and spread it. This time don't make it to box size. Give the shape of long chapati size like this. Now with the help of knife or a cutter, cut them into an horizontal to form a finger shape. See, we can see the layers now. Okay, repeat the process for the other chapati dough also, which we kept it at. Now over the medium heat, drop the wheat fingers into the oil and fry them until they are golden brown. Don't fry in high flame. Keep it in medium flame and fry the fingers. Now our crunchy wheat fingers are ready to be served. Look, we can see the layers and all the fingers are crunchy. Next we'll make healthy ragi murukku or chakli. The ingredients are here. In a bowl add 1 cup of ragi, half cup of besan, quarter cup of rice flour, quarter teaspoon of ghee, salt to taste, ajwain quarter teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of jeera, quarter teaspoon of til, white or black til. Gradually add water and mix the flour. For this also, don't add water in one shot. Add little quantity every time and knead the dough. Our dough for ragi murukku or chakli is ready. The murukku consistency should be so much. I have my murukku press here. I'll take good amount of the dough and put it in the murukku press and press the lid and give a murukku shape to the dough. It's left to you. If you want the same murukku shape, you can give it, or you can make it into long shape also. Some people will like having it in long. So it's left to you. Whichever shape you want, you can make it. Now our murukkus are ready. Now you can deep fry this in a medium flame. Now our soft and crispy ragi murukku or chakli is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and write your comments. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe, like and share and click on the bell button. We will be back with another healthy recipe. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.